The internet has revolutionized the way we live our lives, including the way we earn money. The idea of making money online has become increasingly popular, with many people seeking ways to earn a passive income. Passive income is a type of income that is earned with little or no effort after the initial work has been done. In this video, we will explore some of the most popular ways to make money online through passive income. Before diving into the best passive income ideas that fit your lifestyle and skills, it's important to clarify what we mean by passive income. This term is often misused or misunderstood. While passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it does offer a way to increase returns and reduce the amount of work required over time. As a result, profits increase while the amount of effort required decreases, which is an enticing prospect. One well-known passive income idea is starting a YouTube channel. Once your channel is set up, you can enable YouTube to display ads on your videos. These ads come in different forms, including the ones that appear before the video starts and those displayed on the side or below the video. As viewers click on these ads, you receive half of the money that the advertisers spend on them. However, the amount of money a YouTube channel makes per 1,000 views varies depending on the niche and the channel itself. You might argue that creating weekly videos doesn't qualify as passive income, but the truth is that a significant portion of a channel's revenue comes from older videos that people continue to watch. By building a library of videos, channels can generate passive income for years to come. So while creating new content is still necessary, a considerable amount of income can be made passively through a YouTube channel. Another passive income idea is to create a membership website. This involves building a website and uploading some content, which users can only access if they subscribe to the site. While some portions of the content may be free, users must pay a monthly membership fee to access premium content or to gain full access to the site. The membership fee can vary depending on the nature of the site, the quality of the content, and the benefits provided to members. The beauty of a membership site is that it generates recurring income on a monthly basis without requiring any effort on your part. Once you have set up the site and uploaded the content, your only responsibility is to monitor the site and respond to any member queries or concerns. Additionally, you can choose to update the site periodically to keep the content fresh and relevant, which may entice new users to subscribe. However, it's important to note that creating a successful membership site requires careful planning, strategy, and a solid understanding of your target audience. You'll need to create content that resonates with your audience and provides value to keep them engaged and willing to pay the membership fee. With the right approach and dedication, a membership site can be an excellent source of passive income. Another effective way to earn passive income is by writing a book, specifically an ebook. Not only is it an opportunity to share your expertise and knowledge with the world, but it can also provide a reliable and potentially lucrative stream of income. Each time someone purchases your ebook, you earn royalties, which can quickly accumulate if your book is successful. Royalties for printed books typically range from 5% to 20% of the book's price, while ebooks can pay as much as 25%. For audiobooks, royalties usually fall between 10% and 25%. Of course, writing a quality book is crucial to generating significant income from your writing. Nonetheless, even a few sales can provide the extra cash you need to finance a vacation or help you get closer to achieving your early retirement goals. It's worth noting that writing and publishing an ebook requires effort, time, and commitment. You'll need to do your research, identify your target audience, and create a well-written and compelling book that meets their needs. Another lucrative passive income idea is to create a lead generation website for a service-based business. Essentially, you work in collaboration with a company that provides products or services to customers. You develop a website that functions as a marketing tool for that business. Typically, the website offers some free resources or consultation services, and your job is to drive traffic to it and generate leads for the company. In return, the company pays you for the leads you generate. To succeed in this venture, you need to have a good understanding of digital marketing to drive targeted traffic to the website and convert them into leads for the company. You can charge varying amounts for leads based on factors such as industry, quality, and the cost of the company's product or service. If your leads are of good quality, you can charge around $5 per lead. To earn a monthly passive income of $1,000, you would need to generate 200 leads per month. Our fifth passive income idea is to explore Amazon affiliate programs. You are likely already familiar with Amazon, as it is a widely popular online retailer. By joining their affiliate program, you can earn a percentage of Amazon's profits. Once you sign up, you can share your affiliate links with potential customers who are interested in purchasing specific products. You will receive a commission of 4 to 8% of the sale price for every product that is sold through your links. If customers purchase multiple items on Amazon through your link, your commission rate will increase accordingly. Even if the person who clicked on your link does not purchase the recommended product, you can still earn an affiliate commission if they make a purchase from Amazon within 24 hours. To earn $1,000 from affiliate marketing, you must effectively recommend products to customers who are likely to buy them. The sixth passive income idea is called niche marketing, which involves a different approach. Instead of earning a small commission on multiple products through Amazon affiliates, you can select a single, high-quality digital product to focus your marketing efforts on. This could entail starting a YouTube channel or blog centered on the product/topic, creating an email list, or promoting it on social media. The objective is to establish an audience that is interested in the product and trusts your recommendations enough to make a purchase. By focusing on one high-quality product, you can establish yourself as an expert in that area and build a loyal following. Once you have a dedicated audience, you can continue to earn passive income by promoting related products and services. This strategy takes time and effort to build, but it can be highly lucrative in the long run. Our seventh passive income idea involves creating and selling online courses. You have the option to either sell your course on your own website or through a third-party platform, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Selling on your own website means you keep all the profits but need to drive traffic to make sales, while selling through a third-party platform like Udemy makes it easier to find customers but earns you less per sale. Courses can sell for anywhere from $100 to $5,000 if sold on your website, while third-party platforms usually sell courses for $10 to $100, with a 50% commission for the course creator. Another great way to earn passive income is to invest in real estate. Real estate investing has been a well-established method for building wealth for almost as long as real estate has existed. Real estate investing was once a tricky venture to undertake, requiring a lot of time, effort, and expertise. However, real estate investment apps have now removed many complications and made it easy and accessible to become a real estate mogul from the comfort of your couch. Last but not least, our ninth passive income idea is to rent out a room in your house. A list of passive income ideas would be incomplete without mentioning the world-famous home share platform Airbnb. This is a great option if you have extra space in your house and you don't mind the company. In addition, you can even consider renting your entire home if you travel a lot, whether it be for business or vacation. Renting a room can range anywhere between $25 to $100 per night, depending on the location and where you live. Once you've found the perfect passive income opportunity that fits with your lifestyle, skills, and passions, it's important not to let that extra cash get lazy. Make sure every cent is working for you by placing the money you earn into a high-interest bank and letting it continue to work no matter what you're doing. No matter how you choose to boost your income, make sure it works around your schedule, and don't be afraid to try a few different options. There are no limits to the number of streams of income one person can have, so mix things up and enjoy the returns. So guys, that's all for today's videos. If you like this video, then give the video a thumbs up and smash the subscribe button so that you will never miss any updates.